Hey guys, and welcome to this channel. So today you'll be learning to import images, export images from Figma, downloads from your PC to Figma, and then save as PDF if you want to. So let's go straight in. First, you create your frames for the images just like I've done here. I actually did this so I could save your time. So if you do, you can follow up with this video now. Then there are some sites where you could get images from, like royalty-free images, vector, premium photos, clip arts, background, pixabay. You might ask how to access these sites. Maybe you open them differently. No, you don't have to. You come to your plugin here. It's found here in resources or shift I. Then you can search for, say, premium photos. If it says no plugin for premium photos, maybe I typed it wrongly, but I have pixabay here. You can search for vector or royalty-free images. So I just found pixabay here. So I just click on the frame first, then I click on the image. Click on the frame, and then click on an image. If you see like it doesn't fit, so depending on what you want, I just spread it out a bit, and then I can resize using shift and mouse to a particular size I want. You can frame these images just the way you want them, or do whatever you want with it, probably on your app, websites, or anything like that. We can add another image here if we want, say this one for instance, and then we can crop it probably because we've gotten a particular part of it which we need to extract. So you come to your image feature, click on your image, come to the right hand side here, click on the image feature, and then come to crop here, and then probably maybe you want to take out your rows here. Yeah. Just that's how the crop feature works. You can bring it back to our selection. Now, I'm sorry I'm diverting, but just if it might be of help. So if you want to upload images from your computer, here's what we do. You come to the icon here, which shows like a rectangle, shape tools. You come to place image or video. Always make sure to have your frames ready in the background. Then you can click on any of your images, open it, then click it on your frame here. There you have it for uploading images. So I would do it again just in case you were lost. Click on the images. There you go. Find your image, click on open down there on the screen, and then place it. You could always resize, don't be scared. Always resize. Always resize. Always resize. So that's it for our image here. Then if you want it like an accurate shape, you click on your image, press on shift, and size is just the way you want. Here we go. So if you've got a file you just want to download to your computer in form of a PDF or an image, you can click on the file here, come to export down the screen here. You could just give it a name, probably just the name of your choice. Then you can decide if you want it in form of a PDF, PNG, or anything, SVG, JPG. So PDF, just export. Yeah, that's it basically. So that's it for this session of importing images, exporting images, uploading from PC and saving as PDF. Thanks for watching. I hope the video was helpful. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.